That's a hit. Do it again. That's a hit. There you go. 200 yards. That's one. That's right there. Hello everyone. J Delta 22 at you again. Today I got a special treat for you. Charles O'Kiley along the Voodoo V22 360. That's its logo. Back off. This is an Arcan EP5 525-56. Today we are shooting SK Rifle Match versus Norma Match 22. We are going to do the shooting at 100 yards and 100 yards only. So down there is the target. Thank you for watching and let's get shooting. All right, folks. The 100 yards with Chelsea's Voodoo. Charles O'Kiley. So we are using SK Rifle Match. In case you want to know, the lat number, last 5 is 23794. 23794. All right. So here we go. We're gonna do. Oh, look at the wind. Oh my goodness. So we're gonna do that sticky. The very top, you're gonna see some targets that look like darts, like dart boards. So the target to the far left and the top is sticky. That's what we're gonna try to find zero. Aiming center mass. Make sure it's we are on fire. We should be. And let's see. Here we go. First round. Again, SK Rifle Match 100 yards. All right. Can see where we landed. All right, so here we go. We're going to send another one. Going to aim to the right of the target on the edge. All right. Okay, look like we're landing by the number 7. So we need to go up. I went up to the MOA. Again, gonna aim to the right of the target. All right, now we landed on the number 12. So, all right, we are at 7 MOA. This is an MOA scope. Yes, it is. All right. Again, I'm shooting at the right edge of the target. There you have it, folks. A little too high. We're going to go 6.5. Come back and go center mass now. There's the wind moving. Here we go. We're going to send another one. Boy, this actually is so smooth. There we go. I'm going to send another one. All right, so now we need to go up. Two quarters and right. We're gonna go, yep. Well, 2 quarters right. So 0.25 times 2, 0.50. All right, let's load around. Here we go. We're gonna go another quarter to the right. Come down 1/4. We should be there now, or close to it. There we go. And remember, we got wind going on, so we went 1/4 down. All right, there we go. The height is good. We're gonna go down another 2/4. We're gonna send a few more. All right, and then we get with the 10-shot group. There we go. Aha! Nice. All right, that was slow. There we go. So, look like we found our zero. Stand by as we reload. All right, folks, we're back. Look at that wind. It's going vertical. Ha-ha! We are going for that bottom 2-inch sticky on the left. That one. Hey. All right, all right. Little high there. Yeah, we got a little bit of wind, so more than a little. See, guys, what I was saying earlier in some of my other videos here, our jump length is beautiful, but that wind is unpredictable. I think that, yeah, that one was low, looks like. Or maybe that was there. We'll review the video.
When you finish your mag, we're going to go cold. Okay?
Whoa. I think that one went all the way to the left, and that's understandable. All right, folks, stand by. We are going to send one more because of that wind. I mean, it is what it is, but I want to show you that want to make sure that we give SK Rifleman the benefit of the doubt. Oh yeah. With that wind, guys, not bad. Well, stand by as we reload. And we're going to see what Wolf Match Extra can do. All right, folks, we are back. This time with Match 22 Norma. So we're going to find zero right on that target to the right of the rifle match. Very tough. Look at the wind. All right, we're going to take it out of safe. Whoa, where'd that one landed? Look like that one's hot. Look like it might be shooting high. Or maybe to the right. We'll send another one. Yep, shooting really high. So we're going down 3, 3/4. And look at the wing going vertical. I mean horizontal. All right, here we are. We're gonna send another one. There we go. Let's see if we can walk it in. I haven't adjusted, but the elevation only. There we go. I'm gonna leave it right where it's at. It's wearing out that wax from rifleman. There you go. An amazing thing about a 22 rimfire round. There we go. Guys, I haven't done nothing to it. Just the elevation. The more I shoot this little peel, the more I learn. You have to be patient because sometimes we get desperate and we start moving. I'm guilty of that, moving the windage and elevation. So, take some coconut water and chill out. Ha! All right, folks. We have done 10 rounds. Should be nice and waxed or fouled, however you want to call it. So here we go. Bottom sticky, 2-inch sticky. Norma Match 22 100. Right there. Go. Go. Come on, Norma. All right, folks. Not bad. All right, look like we got one more round. Yep, still one more there. All right, that was a little bit to the right. I saw it coming in. Man, it looks like there's more than 10 rounds in this magazine. Feels like. Well, folks, there you have it. That is 10 rounds or Norma Match 22. I don't know. It looked like Norma might have taken down SK Rifle Match. Stand by as we go down range and take a closer look. All right. Here we are down range at 100 yards. So here is the, well, let's start over here. That's finding 0. A little high, brought it in, not bad. And then here's the 10-shot group. Oh, I think we did 11. I think we shot one more. So there you have it, folks. This is SK Rifle Match, of course, the 10-shot group. Over here is finding 0 with Norma Tag 22. Match 22. We're shooting high, then I brought it low, and then kept adjusting itself until it got to target. And then over here is 10 shots. That one got away, but the rest of them are kind of touching. That's Match 22 at 100 yards. Well, there you have it, folks. Norma outdid SK Rifle Match in this match. So, as always, have fun, be safe, and God bless. See you on the next one.